Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create your own custom welcome message. So if you want to make your own welcome message on your Discord server, let me show you what you can do. And let's start by going to the dino.gg website. This is a website of a Dinobot which I'm gonna use in order to create a welcome message. Of course, there are many different bots that also can create a welcome message for you. However, I'm gonna use this one as an example. If you want to, you can use a different one, but in this video I'm gonna use this one. So on dino.gg, what I want to do is log in with Discord. So you can do this by going over here, clicking this button, or in the top right corner. After logging in, you need to decide which server you want to use. So I'm gonna use this one as an example, and then I need to add that bot to the server. So over here where I have add to server, I need to select my server. I'm gonna choose my one over here, and then I'm gonna click continue. Now you will see the list of permissions that the bot requires in order to be used on the server. Of course, I fully trust this bot, so I don't really need to remove anything, and I can authorize this bot to grant the permissions for the bot. However, if you are using a different bot, then keep that in mind that not everything should be granted for the bot if you don't fully trust the bot. Now we need to solve the captcha, and now we can start setting up the bot. So over here we can go next. We can, if you want to use details, we can select the server, however we don't really care about it, and we can press done. Now over here, in order to enable welcome messages, we can go to over here onto the left side and click on this arrow and then scroll down to find welcome. Let's click over here. Now here we can start setting up the module. Over here in the top right corner we have to enable the module. Okay, and now we can select the message type. We can just use a simple message text. We can use an embed, we can use embed and text, and if you want to, and if you have a premium of this bot, then of course you can use custom image. I'm just gonna use a default message. Now over here on the right side we have channel options. So here we can decide on which channel this welcome message will be sent. I'm gonna use general, since this is the only channel that I have at this moment. If you want to, you can also send a welcome message in a DM, in a private message to a user. However, I'm not gonna select that. Now, at the bottom over here, I can write the message that will be sent when someone joins. And you also have variables. Over here at the bottom, we have different variables, which we can use in order to create a more fancy message. So I have created this simple message: hello user, whoops, this is a mistake. Welcome to the server, I hope you'll have fun. And of course these are the aforementioned variables which are described over here. After that, all you need to do is press update. And you will see in the bottom right corner that it has been successfully updated. You might also need to go to the server settings, so let's go to the server settings over here at the top and let's choose this option. And here you might need to disable system messages. So if you have this enabled, let's say you have set this to general, you want to set it to no system messages and then save the changes. So now let's try it out. I'm gonna join the server. And there we go. Now the Dinobot has sent this welcome message. As you can see, the username worked as well as the server variable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.